This is my Triad d-369 flyback. I just wanted to make a little video on. When I first started with this prototype on this one, I had to make a couple modifications. I'm running this on a Astron RS-20A power supply that I got for a real good price. I'm sorry my lighting is so bad in here. And I made a couple modifications to it that I'm sure everyone's aware of. I modified the voltage regulator on it to go to 20 volts down to 7. I put 2 more pass transistors on the back, put a fan on it, some spike protection inside, some current equalization resistors, a bunch of things, but I got it for 20 bucks. So even though I spent a lot of time on it to modify it and make it better, it was worth it. Another thing I had to do was modify this amp meter here. Anybody that messes with amp meters knows this stuff. You always have an amp meter that never measures what you want to measure. So I put a piece of number 14 magnet wire across the back, a little trick. Takes you a bunch of tries to get it, but after 6 or 7 tries you eventually get it down. It has an internal shunt. I had to calibrate that first, but I wanted 0 to 30 and couldn't find a 0 to 30 meter, so I just modified this one by putting a shunt across the shunt. And now it reads to 30 amps full scale, and it's probably within 2 or 3%, if not less than that. Not that it matters, but anyway, that's where we're at with that. I'll turn this on here. Let me see. This light turned out. Oh, maybe I'll leave the light on. Let me see. Oh boy. There's 7.7 volts. That's 6, 8. That's 10 amps right there. Not very much power, but I wasn't looking for a powerhouse. Just something a little bit bigger than what my high voltage generator has in it right now. There's 9 volts at 12 amps. There's a little over 10 at about 13 amps. There's 11 at 14 amps. There's 12 at, what is that, 15? 12 at 15, yeah. There's 13.3 at 16 amps. There's 14 at about 18 amps. But my fuse is gonna go if I do this too much, so I'll back it down a little. Right now I've just remembered I got a 20 amp fuse in this, I forgot. That's 13 volts right there. This is running at, I think, 28 kilohertz. But that's the d-369 back down to 7 volts. I like these things because you can turn the voltage way down on them. Unlike other things, they don't care about the voltage. You can change it all day long, and they stay running. They don't blow up on you. But anyway, this is a d-369 on a humongous heat sink. And if you ever see any of these big triads, it's always fun to get them. But anyway, thanks for watching.